the treble clef staff. In this video, we will learn the names of the lines and spaces, ledger lines, the octave, and pitch. Let's go! This is the staff. The staff is composed of 5 lines, and between those lines, there are 4 spaces. It's important to note, when looking at the staff, we always read from bottom to top. Another way to remember the staff is to look at your hand. Just as the staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces, your hand has 5 fingers and 4 spaces between them. This is the treble clef. The lines on the treble clef staff are E, G, B, D, and F. There's a saying we can use to help us remember that. Every good boy does fine. And then there's my personal favorite. Elephants get big, dirty feet. You can use any phrase you choose, but the important thing to remember is that the lines of the treble clef are E, G, B, D, and F. Now notice how the treble clef wraps around the second line. This line is G. The treble clef is also called the G clef. This is a quick way to remember where G is on the staff. Now let's look at the spaces on the treble clef staff. They are F, A, C, and E, which spells out face. It's a very easy way to remember the spaces. And once again, our lines are E, G, B, D, and F, and then our spaces are F, A, C, and E. Another way to think of the staff is as a ladder. Notes can go up or down the ladder. The higher the note, the higher the pitch. The lower the note, the lower the pitch. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. Now on this staff we have 2 Fs, a low F and a high F. Let's listen to the difference. The lower F sounds like this, and the higher F, just from looking at the screen, you can see that the F at the top of the staff is higher. Although they sound the same, this one has a higher pitch. The difference between these 2 Fs is called an octave. And that's when one note sounds the same as another, but one is higher and one is lower. There's an octave between the low F and the high F, as well as the low E and the high E. Now, if we needed to, we could add notes directly below or above our staff. But if we wanted to add more, we'd need to utilize what's called ledger lines. Ledger lines are short, extra lines used to show notes that are too high or low to fit in the regular staff. Below the staff, we've added a C and D, and above the staff, we've added G, A, B, and C. Quick review. Our lines are E, G, B, D, and F, and our spaces F, A, C, and E. Take a good look, and let's see what you remember. What are these notes? E, G, A, E, G, and C. If you got them all right, congratulations. If you didn't, don't give up. Keep working on it.